Hey, I'm going to show you how to create ads using the new studio features of Adkit. So you can just go into My Ads here, click Create Ad, and you will arrive on this page. Now, I won't go too much in details here, but this is mainly useful if you want to really plan things ahead, or maybe, send a brief to contractors. But in our case, we just want to create an ad really quickly using AI. So you can go into the Create tab, and I'm going to click Create from scratch. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick an ad from my swipe file that I like. So let's say I like this example. I'm going to add it here, and I'm not going to add any instructions. So you can specify, you can ask the AI to, clone it, or, whatever you like, any kind of instruction. Basically, it's your prompt. And let's just check the settings. So in this case, I'm going to use Gemini Pro. So far, that seems to be the best model. There is a new OpenAI image 1.5 that was released yesterday, is already available, but from what I saw, Gemini Pro seems to work best. So we have all our details. We don't really need anything else. I just want one ad and a typical square format. And I'm going to click Create Ad. Up, and then it's going to take a minute or something. Now, one thing is, so I mentioned you can bring your own API key, so there is no additional cost or credit or anything. It's just, you pay what you use via the API. We don't, Adkit doesn't take any markup or anything like that. So it's just, the cheapest way possible for you to use those AI models to generate ads. Okay, so now we have our ad. So as you can see, it took inspiration from this original ad and adapted it for our project. So in this case, I'm using Scrivet, which is an app for veterinarians. And if I want to change some things, I can just click Edit here. And for example, change the dog to a cat. Okay, same, I can change the model I want, or you can add reference for the AI. But in this case, I just want this little change. And while it's loading, I'm also going to show you the resize. So let's say you like this ad and you would like another one in story format, and you can just click here, and it's automatically going to resize everything for you. So it's not just going to add some colors fake decropping. It's actually going to properly reposition the elements if relevant, etc. So our original, the ad we asked the edit was made. So as you can see, we changed the dog for a cat. Nothing else was changed. So that's really useful if you want to. It's like iterative process. So you get a base version, and then you can tweak it a little bit, etc., until you get something you really want. And here, as you can see, this is our original ad, and this is our story ad. So it's not, again, that's not just going to add some color at the top and the bottom. Here, it just resize and make something that actually looks good for this specific format. So yeah, you have a few more features, like you can duplicate or regenerate with the same settings. You can have a preview of the costs, and you can see the reference you used. If you use specific instructions, it will also display here. And and then you can just download all your variants by clicking here, or them individually. And that's pretty much how it works. So you can create ads very, very easily using this new tool. And for those that bought Generate Ads, a lifetime deal, you get access to this tool for free. So you don't have to subscribe to Adkit. Your lifetime license will transfer to Adkit. I send an email. It might take a few days to receive, but you will get the access to that for free. It is basically Generate Ads version 2. So yeah, if you have any suggestions or anything, please let me know. I would love to make this even better to use, but I'm quite proud of the results so far. Being able to edit the ads and stuff, exactly, it's quite nice, especially because it's linked to the library. So if you find any ad that you like here, you can just clone it in 2 clicks. So yeah, that's it. So have a great day, and thanks for watching.